Hello everyone. I will be describing the project manager plan review for our class. Firstly, I will talk about the scope for our project. The purpose of the project is to develop a prototype of the unmanned vehicle using the LEGO Stop EV3 kit to meet the increased demand of search and rescue missions from international partners. The developed robot would be able to identify and record all objects clearly on the map in real time and search survivors within some specified areas. And the customer expectations and critical success factors have been specified in goals and objectives. Our project objectives and goals have been verifiable, defined, and stated, including generate map features of surrounding area such as survivors, tracks, and objects. Return back to the base station of the rescue robot. Load partially completed generated maps and continue generation and navigate through it. Menu control of the robot coding manager. Allow operator to add features to the map and also the roles and responsibilities of project members. The customer and stakeholders and related entities have been identified as relevant to project scope. Safety design manager works on quality checking, ensuring technical delivery to enhance the design deliverables, checking the compatibility of designing parts with other parts, evaluating risks, and developing action plan according to the tasks. Coding manager checking the code, plan, and design the program, make decisions for the program, ensuring the milestones and the client requirements are met and delivered on time. The documentation manager works on organizing and checking documents, updating documents, control change to the document, customer communication and division, developing the document manager plan and update it. The internal management structure has been successfully described, including scope, intended audience, process module, and supporting plan. The administrative and manageable boundaries have been charted and documented. The project's assumptions, dependencies, and constraints have already been documented and linked in the PMP document. The project monitoring and control mechanism are clearly identified, including version control and Git configuration. We update our documents and codes on the GitHub and use the version control to recording each version of documents onward. And we use the task tracking and task estimation to project monitoring. And in this table, we use task duration and dependencies to describe each dependencies between each task. And will also describe the requirements and constraints of the project, of the software and hardware requirements. Each member should obey schedule plan and follow software process module provided by PMP. System architecture and components design will be given by CD. Only up to 4 sensors can be used in the project, and the time is a major constraint for our project design. The LEGO does not support Java 8, and the mat format must be XML. And the RAM and the storage is limited, and also the battery usage is limited. And we also describe the development platform and the techniques we can use for the hardware and the software. Development platform is Eclipse IDE and the programming language as Java 1.7 as we described, the Java 8 is not supported. The techniques include the EV3 client server with TCP connection. We use the Java Swing for GUI GUI support And we use touch sensors, color sensors, ultrasonic sensor, gyroscope sensor for programming. And we also use the Microsoft Visio 2010 for URL diagram. And also about the work breakdown, each unit of work has been clearly identified with a unique identifier in our project. The work responsibility to appropriate people has been established for identified units of work. The project milestones has been identified regarding the project. Milestones are points in the schedule against which we can access process, including requirements elicitation, GUI prototype, basic movement demo, and etc. And the deliverables are work products that are delivered to the customer, including SPMP, software engineering and project, SRS, software requirement specification, SDD, software design document for the system. In the requirement phase, the key deliverables has been identified and success criteria through the requirement phase has been documented. The process for obtaining approval of the project deliverables has been completed. And for testing and quality assurance, we can see that our project chooses the black box as testing strategy and the G-unit as testing tools. The quality assurance is to establish organizational procedures and standards for quality. The quality assurance standards are the key to of effective quality management. The planning for quality assurance has been completed and all deviations from quality assurance standards has been noted. Quality planning, quality control, and quality reviews has been defined for project quality. That's all. Thank you.